I would say the biggest mistake that homeowners make when they're shopping for a new swimming pool would probably be to get too hung up on any one particular aspect of the pool. I'll give you an example. If you're hiring somebody to build your swimming pool, but the only question that you have is, will the pool be salt water? That would be an example of a poor way to select your swimming pool or your swimming pool builder. A saltwater system is a peripheral item that can be literally added to any swimming pool, and it has a very small cost. It might have a high level of appeal to a potential pool owner, but in terms of the actual construction and installation of a salt system, it's a very small component of the swimming pool construction process. And so if you're having a pool built, try not to get hung up on any one particular thing like, will the pool be salt water, and try to consider each aspect of the pool, such as what type of pool, concrete, vinyl liner, or fiberglass. Even that question alone is a much more important question to spend time on than a question like, should I go with salt water or not? Because you can change your mind in the future about whether you want salt water or not. You can't change your mind in the future about whether you want a fiberglass pool or a concrete swimming pool. If this information was helpful to you, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.